Do you want to write your own blog? Great, you found the video that will walk you through the 5 steps that will get you started. How to choose your topic, where to publish your blog, what makes a good blog and how to advertise it, and how do you make money out of it. I will answer all those questions in this video. Why blogging? Well, it's not too tricky to write a good blog, and it's easy to integrate affiliate marketing in blog posts. Particularly for pre-retirees and retirees, it's an easy way to increase income in their retirement. And best of all, it brings purpose to their lives. So how do you find a good topic? Well, the goal is to find something where your passion lies and something that can make money. First, find a topic that you really enjoy talking about or writing about it. You don't have to be an expert, but it needs to be a topic that excites you because this excitement will be detected by your readers, and it is very important. Once you have an idea what this could be, let's go to googletrends.com. Put it in there and look at the interest worldwide over the last 5 years. So for example, I took travel. As you can see, it's constantly high. This ensures that there currently is an interest and there's likely to be an interest in the future years. So once you have your general subject, you may want to find a smaller niche that has a bit less competition. So if I take travel and put it into the general Google search, I get 8.23 billion results. Well, that's a lot, and it may be very difficult to get noticed among so many entries. So if you scroll all the way down at the end on the Google search, you find related topics. This could give you an idea of something you could pick a smaller niche for. I came up with budget travel. So if I put this into the Google search, I get 1.34 billion results, which is much better. But it could still be improved. But I think you get the idea what I mean. And the last thing is you need to find something that can make money. So one way to see or to check this is if you put it again into the Google search, and if you find paid ads at the very top of your result list, then that's a good indication that you found a good subject. The next step is to find a spot where you can publish your blog. For example, Google Sites is a good idea because you don't need to buy a domain or be a registered business to do that. The other option is you can become a member of my website and you get free blog hosting and further support if you need it. So now it's time to write your blog. But what makes a good blog? Well, each post should be around 400 to 500 words because this is known to keep the reader's attention and it's long enough to deliver good content. And this is the main thing. Content. It needs to be valuable and really bring meaning to your readers so that your blog becomes successful. Then you need to have some good pictures that go with your blog because this will attract the attention of the visitors and it will actually make them read your blog because the first thing they see is the picture and then they may read the title. But don't go around and copy and paste random images from the internet because that can cause some real intellectual property issues. But there are some websites where you can download free high-quality pictures. For example, Pexels.com, Unsplash.com or Pixabay.com. And after maybe 20 posts or so, you may run out of ideas what to write about, right? So go to answerthepublic.com, put in your subject, and it'll give you questions that people actually asked on the internet. So you know that these are questions they want to have answered. Look at this. I put budget travel in. It'll give you this circle of questions related to this topic. For example, how to budget travel Italy, or what is budget air travel? Well, as you can see, it just gives you inspiration for new topics. How do you actually make money with your blogs? Well, you should sign up with an affiliate marketing program so that you can promote products on your blogs. Here are a few things you should know about this. First, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, no problem. Watch this video where I explain the concept. Second, I think you should start with Amazon or ClickBank, because those two programs don't require you to have your own website or have an established blog to start with. Then third, you have to get the product linked from these affiliate websites, because only then the website will know that you brought the customer that eventually buys the product, because this link is specific to you. So once the customer clicks on it and buys it, the website then knows that you brought the customer and therefore you will be paid the commission. And then one important thing is you need to add a disclaimer to every single blog post that you're publishing with affiliate links. Every affiliate program requires them, but each program has different rules and requirements about them. So make sure that you read the fine print. And the last thing I want to mention is I actually don't recommend you to put affiliate links in every single blog post that you publish, because you need to get the trust of the audience. And if you put affiliate links everywhere, it will just look cheap, and I don't think you can gain trust that way. So how do you advertise your blog? Because if nobody knows your blog, nobody reads it and nothing's gonna happen. Well, the easiest is to email your friends and family and ask them to share it. Then you should use social media. For example, Facebook. Every time a blog post goes live, you should post about it on Facebook. Or even better, you can create a group and get people to join in there and share your blog posts there. Then you could use Quora to get more traffic to your website. Quora is one of the 100 top websites worldwide. People ask questions there and get answers. So it's up to you to find the questions related to your blog subject and answer them. It's pretty good if you're the first one to answer it, but it's not essential. Your answer can be your whole blog or just a summary of it. And it needs to contain the link to your blogs, because only that way you get them to read the other blog posts as well. And if you have about 50 posts or so, you could consider publishing an ebook on Amazon Kindle. You can sell it for a very low price or even give it away free. And because it's an ebook, it will still contain these affiliate links where people can click on it and you may get some money through that. Now you have the 5 basic steps to get starting as a blogger. If you would like to have some more details or strategies, I actually have a step-by-step course on my website retireon.com.au. You can get free blog hosting and lots of IT support, such as search engines optimization, if you sign up. If you think that affiliate blogging is something for you, I really recommend you to take this course. I have actually 2 retired friends who took it, and they have now their own blogs running on my website. I have put the links to those blogs below so that you can have a look at it and see how affiliate blogging looks like. So this is what I wanted to share with you in this video. You now have the 5 basic steps to get started. First, find your niche. Find something that you enjoy writing about it, that excites you and that people are interested in. Then find a spot where you can actually publish your blog post. For example, Google Sites or my website. Then write a good blog, 400 to 500 words, and use good quality pictures to go with it. And then to make money with it, sign up with an affiliate marketing program and find products that you can promote. And the last thing is advertise your blog. Share it with family and friends on social media and use Quora to direct traffic to your blog. So, what do you think about all of this? Comment below, like and subscribe so you get notified if I post a new video. And have a look at the description below to find the links to all those websites I mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.